Nilesh is going to build a production application from scratch, live, right now. No pre-built templates, no preloaded code, just a prompt.
I'm going to build a customer feedback and NPS tracking tool. It needs user authentication, a submission form, an admin dashboard with analytics, and the ability to export reports. And I'll hit build. Now watch what happens.
What you're seeing on the screen right now is the multi-agent pipeline at work. The first agent, the product manager, is interpreting the requirements and creating a structured specification. It is not just passing your prompt to an LLM. It's decomposing it into features, acceptance criteria, and technical requirements. Now, the project manager agent takes the specs and breaks it into discrete tasks: backend API routes, database schema, front-end components, auth flows. It's creating the execution plan that the developer agents will follow.
And here is where it gets interesting. The backend and front-end agents are now working in parallel. The backend agent is writing TypeScript API routes and defining the Postgres schema through Drizzle ORM. The front-end agent is building the React components and wiring them to the API.
And notice the code auditor agent in the bottom panel. It's already reviewing the completed modules, checking for security vulnerabilities, validating the authentication, patterns, ensuring error handling is in place. This is the quality gate that no other platform has.
And we are done. The app is live. Let me check the URL. Let me walk you through it. Here is the login page. Real authentication, not a mock. I'll create an account, log in, and here is the admin dashboard. You can see the NPS chart, the feedback feed, the export button, every feature that we asked for.
And just to be clear, this is not a static prototype. It is running on live server with its own isolated Postgres database provisioned automatically through Neon. If you submit feedback through the form right now, it persists. If you refresh, it's still there. This is a real deployed product.
And for the developers watching, this entire app, the TypeScript backend, the React frontend, the database schema, and the migration scripts, the authentication layer, the deployment, was completely built by AgentQ. No human wrote a single line of code.